Hey, what's up guys, this is Hamza and you are watching Tech Selector. In today's video, I'm going to revive this iPod Classic. It is 7th generation and as you guys can see, its display is broken. And if you ever used an iPod Classic, then you will know that it uses an hard drive as a storage, which makes it really slow and drains its battery a lot. So in today's video, we are going to change its hard drive to SD card so it will run faster and its battery life will also be improved. So just follow the video and I will show you all steps one by one. So without further wasting any time, let's get started. Now all the products that you will need in this process, you will find their links in the description below so you can buy them easily. First you need this ZIF to CF adapter which will replace your hard drive. And you also need this CF adapter which will use a SDXC card or micro SD card. Now if you already have a CF card, you don't have to buy these adapters. And because I already have bought it, so I'm going to use it. And also all the tools that you need for this build, you will find their link in description so you can find them easily. Now for rest of the process, I'm going to be quiet, so just follow these steps and they are also easy. So let's start. So this is a display which I am going to replace because my display was broken and the iPod was not usable. So I bought this display and you will find its link in description. So let's assemble it. Now after all this process, when you turn your iPod on, you will see this screen. Use iTunes to restore. So now you have to plug your device with your PC and launch iTunes. So when you plug your iPod with your PC, you will find these errors and this format SD card option. Just cancel them and tap on restore iPod. It will download a firmware for your iPod and will restore your iPod to factory settings. So I am just going to fast forward this. After this, just set up your iPod, and as you guys can see here, it is showing that I have 32 GB iPod. So I have successfully upgraded its hard drive with an SD card, which will also improve its sound quality and its battery life. So the only thing you have to do now is just sync your songs and you are good to go. So now you can see that my iPod is up and running, and you can also see its storage. So this is it guys. This is how you can revive your old iPod Classic 7th generation. So this is it guys. So if you like this video, just like this video, share with it to your friends. And if you have any problem, just comment below. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, just subscribe to this channel and also enable that bell icon, so you will never miss an update from me. So again guys, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been